Welcome to Tech Info. As you have seen in the thumbnail, we are going to make our desktop cool and professional in only 5 minutes. Let's get started. First of all, grab a broom as we want to clean everything from the desktop. Right-click, go to View, and untick Show Desktop Icons. Now to hide the taskbar, position your cursor on the taskbar and right-click, click Properties. Tick the Auto Hide the Taskbar option. Apply the changes. Looks cool. Download the Rainmeter app by simply clicking the link in the description. On the website, scroll down and click the download button. Wait 1 or 2 minutes till it is downloaded. Once it's downloaded, open the application. Make sure that standard installation is selected and click Next. Choose your desired install location. Tick the Open on Startup box. Click Install and wait for a couple of minutes for it to be installed. Go to the second link in the description box and make an account on the website, and click on the download icon to download your free template. Once downloaded, unzip the file using WinRAR or 7-zip. If you don't have those apps, watch the video on the I button or check for the WinRAR video in the description. Open the extracted folder and open this file. The Rainmeter app will pop up. Click on Install. Apply theme and select the first layout. You will have your icons and widgets shown up. Let's make this a little more interesting and functional. Go to the third link in the description and download the background image. Go to the downloaded location. Right-click and choose Set as Desktop Background. Delete all the things you feel are unnecessary by right-clicking and choosing the Remove option. In my case, I'll only keep these. Now simply drag the icons to reposition them according to your likes. Once it is all set up, you can click on this Add icon, and you can add any of these widgets to your home screen. I will use this Switcher tab. You can see that the tabs are fully functional. Now to add apps to your screen, go to the Add icon and go to Shortcuts. You can add any of these apps to your desktop. In this case, I'm adding Photoshop, Firefox, Illustrator, and Lightroom. Reposition them so that it feels professional and clean. These apps are also opening correctly. If you want to add an app that is not on the list, you can use the Make Your Own option. Comment down if you want a dedicated video on setting up your own shortcuts or apps. That's it for the video, guys. Hope you learned something new from this. Leave a comment if you are facing any problems, and I will be happy to help you. Make sure to subscribe to Tech Info for more videos like these. See you in the next one.